Thank you for joining me again on another edition of the talk show. As you know, my name is Peter Pan and you're watching Peter Pan TV. On today's edition of the show, I am taking you to Benin Republic. But before then, let me talk to my African leaders. You know, for me here, I'm always having problem with these African leaders and I will continue to have problem with them. You know why? Because during the election or before election period, they always come and cry foul that we should vote for them. That when you vote for them, they will build El Dorado. They will build heaven on earth. Some will even promise you that they will tar road from China to Africa. You understand me? Some will tell you they will build underground train from Singapore to Africa. But the moment they assume that power, it's either they are throwing away the manifesto in the dustbin or they are using the manifestos as their toiletries. All you begin to see is they will begin to rule the country with the collective stupid idea from their party to rule the country. You understand? They don't even follow country constitution. They follow their party's constitution. Recently, the Benin Republic, in case again you don't even know Benin Republic is a country located or situated in West Africa. It's housing border with Burkina Faso in the north, Nigeria in the east, and Togo in the west. You understand? The president of Benin Republic is Mr. Patrick Talon. Now be this so. I have problem with this man. I used to think he's a reasonable man, but little did I know that I was confusing myself also. Recently, this man went to visit my President Muhammadu Buhari, Nigeria, that clueless man. You understand me? One would have expected them that they will be discussing about bilateral issue, border issue, how to make things better. You understand me? Instead, this man want to become part of Nigeria, 37 states. I don't know if he was joking or he was serious, but there are some words you don't take in a joking way. You understand? If you understand the country Nigeria and the condition and the problem where they inside, you will not be joking with it that you want to become a number 37 state. As many of you know, Nigeria is made up of 36 states, excluding the FCT. You understand me? He want to become our number 37 state. This man, so you are not serious. And he's laughing. He's laughing. But let me first of all tell you, maybe he has forgotten. This is the same Benin Republic that Nigeria we smuggle rice from to feed. God. The same country we smuggle car from Cotonou. We smuggle car from there. The same Cotonou we are smuggling cement. Because of when I'm confusing, you see, I say struggle instead of smuggling. You see him. Now this man want to become part of this same country. Okay, no problem. He's welcome, Mr. This man is a confused man. You are welcome. Since when they give us rice, now they give us car, and they give us cement. We also have something to give you once you become part of Nigeria. You understand me? Because the moment they become brother and sister, we have collective responsibility that we need to share. We are shareful giver. You understand me? You need to remember, say, we go give you S-men. See, we will give you Boko Haram. Kidnapping. Maybe in your country, maybe when they kidnap 1, 2. In my country, 27. The last one said, oh God. You call it 300, 400, 600. When they go kidnap once, by then your head will clear. And let me warn you, this man, he need to apologize to the people of Benin Republic. It's an insult. You see what we see how they used to say coconut is rough outside and the inside is clean. Nigeria and Alayo, both the inside and the house. In fact, the inside now rough past the outside. If you try them, if you try, Nigeria be like car where they speed, we no get brake. You understand? No brake, no speedometer. You just they go. You don't know where they go. Now you want join. Train we no get driver. Now you want join. Now you want enter. You want to become part of a country, you don't know where you will go, you don't pass Ghana. You even the Burkina Faso, you don't pass them. Togo, you pass them. And Nigeria, now you want to become 37 states with. I pity you and your people. And I pity you with the people, you don't know what they do. Nigeria, you want to be part of it. 37 states. You are welcome, sir. By the time you don't follow shower problem, you will know say yes. Una better pass. You know all these African countries, wetin dey worry them, eh? They know say they better pass the people wey they wan be like. They know. They better pass people wey they wan be like. They carry flight, carry you come, you drop for capital, you go the office, you think na say you just sweet. God, this man, and they go dey look me, they laugh. They smile. Don't worry, when no funny again, you will know say yes. Wahala dey. My people, this man condition no get sense. All African leaders they are like that. Where you think say they go use their wisdom, they not even get. All the way from Benin Republic to Nigeria, and I had to become 37 states. Now they look for. Whether you are serious or you are just joking, this kind of word they use and take joke. You understand? My people, it matter. The condition of a problem alone, it don't worse past Nigeria now. It not get solution. We go leave am here. I go see you now again. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.